Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the vapor absorption refrigeration cycle. So this is very rarely used in the refrigeration cycles. So most of this refrigeration cycle used in the big areas like shopping malls or theaters in air conditioning systems. So this is not used in the refrigerators. So this is another type. Main type used in the refrigerator is vapor compression cycle. For heat, energy will be created from. In this cycle, we are using external heat, but vapor compression cycle, we are using the compressor heat. So inside, this is the chamber. Inside, ammonium solution plus water with strong solution stored in the chamber. The chamber will be heated. Okay. Will anyone explain?
So in the generator, ammonium and hydrogen and H2O liquid solution will be heated externally, and that becomes a high pressure and goes to the condenser.
So the liquid will be converted into vapor by using heat source. So the high pressure vapor is transferred into the condenser area. So in condenser, what is the purpose we are using the condenser?
This is a condenser. Condenser in the sense converts vaporized ammonia into liquid ammonia to water.
So the vapor is converted into liquid with high pressure. The condenser is from external source, cooling source. We are using the condenser. The external cooling source will be cooled the inside the hot vapor to liquid stage. So the liquid is high pressurized. So the liquid will be traveled into the expansion mode. So why we are using more?
Ammonia is something that have high pressure. When an expansion wall opens, the volume increases so that the pressure decreases and it gets converted into a low pressure ammonia.
Okay. So in this stage, the pressure is decreased and temperature also decreased due to expansion wall. So the low pressure and low temperature liquid will be passes through the evaporator. So the evaporator where we fix it inside the fridge or outside the fridge.
So the evaporator is fixed inside the fridge, so it absorbs the heat inside the fridge and converts the liquid ammonia back to vapor ammonia.
So the liquid will be converted in this evaporator area through observing the inside refrigeration is heat, the emission of heat. Okay. Again, the vapor will be transferred into another solution tank due to the low solution ammonium amount is conserved in the evaporator. So the ammonium strength is weakened in this area. So we again strengthen the ammonia solution. So the gas will be possible in this area. So in this area, the chamber have already strong solution. This solution is passed through this tank. So the strong ammonia solution here weak ammonium vapor. So the ammonium vapor is absorbed the ammonia from the strong solution. Again, the solution will be passed through the chamber. So this cycle is completely using to rotate the in fraction of minutes. Okay. So 1 minute or 2 minutes, the cycle will be continuously running while the setting temperature inside the refrigerator is reached the set temperature, it will be going to shut down. Ideal condition. After that, again the temperature will be increased inside the refrigerator. This process will be started again. Okay. So what are the problems it will be created in this cycle? The NH3 H2O solution level will be decreased or reduced due to absorption cycle. So the amount of gas will be converted in this area will be reduced. So the efficiency of the refrigerator is low. So this is one of the case study problems. And another one is the condenser will be not cooled in this area, the liquid, the vapor will be not converted into liquid. So the vapor will be possibly exit. This is another case studies. And expansion wall not working in the proper. So the pressure is not decreased. So this is the third case study area. So in evaporator, we are using low pressure, high pressure or high temperature liquid inside through the tubes. Heat energy will not be observed. So this is also another case study. We will check the tubes will any leakage. That is one of the problem. We check the efficiency of growing the. So this is the vapor absorption cycle using in the air conditioning systems. Mostly not in the home appliances. It is used in the centralized AC or shopping malls, theaters, industries, software industries. So big level of air conditioning using air vapor absorption cycle. Thank you.